Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone passcode 4 digits on all iPhones. This will also work on your iPad. So whichever device you're on, either an iPhone or iPad, you first want to head into the settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to come down until you see Face ID and Passcode, and then you want to go into that. You will need to enter your current passcode. This will unlock the Face ID and Passcode options. And once you're on the page, you want to come down until you see Change Passcode. And you want to tap onto that. Again, you'll need to enter the current passcode. Now, you've entered the old passcode, you'll be greeted by entering a new passcode. As you can see, this wants a longer than 4 digits. So at the bottom here, you can select passcode options. And now you want to select 4-digit numeric code. And now you'll be able to enter a 4-digit numeric code. Then you'll need to confirm it. And then it'll take a few moments while this is changed. And then your iPhone will then be unlocked with your new 4-digit code. So that's how to make your iPhone passcode 4 digits or on your iPad. So I hope that video helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.